All right, welcome. Back in action, ladder racing. Got 3 ladder races on tap this week. Gonna be burnt out to no end by the end of that. So this one's gonna be a blazing fast race. 1 lap TikTok, 19.1K of all pancake flat. A couple of small rollers, but this is probably gonna be over and done with in like 25, 26 minutes or something like that. So we're rolling against ATP Avalanche. Always a good match against them. Here's how we stack up. Pretty even distribution across the board, to be honest. We may own a little bit of the raw watts, but I mean, honestly, it's pretty dead even across the board. I think the predictions were like 28, 27 them or something like that. So I expect this to be pretty close. This is Scott's first race, so get his feet wet and ladder. First race with Kevin, so looking to make some damage happen here. So back in action after crashing the bike yesterday. Not crashing, but kind of taking a tumble. So glad virtual, not gonna crash.
So it's epic KOM, and that's when power just cut off, or the connections all cut out, and so it was brutal. But after about 5 minutes, I got going again, but was way in the back. So,
well, that's nice. At least they didn't kick you out of the race.
You talking about Acro, or is this?
Yeah. It was an Echo race.
I commend you for even trying that.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna keep going. I'm not really I can't really be on the bike more than an hour of racing. It's just too much for me.
Kevin, do the FRR, Super 6,
Yeah.
whatever it is. That's, I don't know. Zach, you said you were doing it, and I was like, all right, well, that's all the convincing I need. You didn't even lock it.
It looks like fun. You know, it's not as long as the normal FRR tour, and it's more like race courses that are ZRL. So it's going to be a mixture of, everything. It's not just going to be climbing. It's not just going to be flats. And it's not going to be your traditional FRR, which is just ridiculously long and a stupid amount of elevation. And
I'm not looking forward to Emeralds, though, man. I got to race against Emeralds. I'm not looking forward to that.
Oh, wow.
Right, 15 seconds. All right, let's watch the sprint. Let's watch the sprint out of the gate just in case they try that.
My odometer switched to miles, and I don't remember doing that.
When you did your weigh-in?
Oh, yeah, I do toggle that. You're right. Okay, that's what it is. Damn it.
All right, so...
Hey, what affects the Zwift app for your weight?
For your what?
Like, what does it sync with? The Zwift racing app at the site, what does it sync with that it
Zwift power. Zwift
logs
power,
your weight?
I think.
Really?
Zwift power.
Huh.
Yeah.
Weird. My weight is off, and it gave me an extra centimeter randomly. I was like, okay.
Huh.
Yeah, that happened to me too. I was like 6.5 inches, and then it just pushes me up to 6'1" or something like that. It's weird.
Man, dude, you're tall.
I was 6 foot until about a week ago, and I realized I was 5'11".
Scott, do you have steering too, by the way, or no?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. All right, so Kevin is their guy to go long, I think. He's one of their stronger ones.
He's taking all the wind right now.
Yeah, we
so
didn't.
good for him.
We did not pick this course,
Thanks,
Christian.
right? You up front?
Yeah, I mean it's pretty chill pace right now. I mean, there's not really anywhere to do anything until 5K in. I mean, that's really the first small bump.
I think I have Mellenstein in this on. Or is that an Indy? Is that the new Indies?
You do?
No, not me. Michael. Some sort of they're Indies.
I mean,
Maybe.
it like glitches out to your last bike and wheel set, I think, when you switch them in the pen. So if you're warming up with like a TT bike to get like the unlocks, and then you switch in the pen, it'll still show you on a TT bike, even though you're not.
Same with jerseys, right? You did that to me last race.
I think so.
I'm really down. Here, you can't go much slower.
Yeah, I know. Do you want a team push? Or
Oh, I love it. I could reach out and grab my camera right now.
do you want to do a quick team push, test the waters here? Or no?
We'll get a power up right under this awning. So.
Yeah. This is literally the only power up you get, though, FYI. So.
You guys want to go like 3 seconds after the power up while they're all waiting and watching their power up so we can just kind of go?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Just go at the window, team push. Nothing like 10
What
or anything.
power are we doing?
7. Go like 7 or 8. All right, let's push
All right,
it
1,
here.
2, 3.
All right, let's go. Hey, ease off. Just let Zach come. Let them pull you. All right, yeah. It's gonna be impossible to crack anyone. Oh, they're still going. I'll follow Kevin. Keep going.
Counter.
Push, push, push. Use your draft if you need to. Try and save it.
Ooh.
Well, that almost backfired.
Yeah, and this is why everyone just sits in on this course. It's like,
So I forgot that it's only draft van. So usually when it's like doing the coin toss, everybody's kind of has their eyes on the power up. That didn't happen there, so that's my bad.
oh, that's fine.
I was hoping that sneaky little move.
I mean, we were going like 2-0. We weren't doing anything. Let's recover a bit. Got to pay way too much attention to the new pack dynamics. Did anyone burn their power up? We also have them.
No.
No, I got mine.
All right.
I didn't see any of them burn theirs either.
No, I didn't.
I think so.
How do I always push the outside? And what I do, shove that thing.
Yeah, like really does not want you to occupy the same space. All right, we got a little bump in about 500 meters. So watch Katie Candeloro. If anyone's gonna lead out, it's probably her.
They got a solid front end.
Box him in.
There's some bros. I mean, it's only a matter of time before they start putting like a weight gravity function in here where we can use our body weight.
To push people, you mean? Throw some elbows?
Bach. Yeah, I mean, you're like, if you're trying to get past someone, you're not going to push him out of the way if he's got 20 kilos on him. What am I
It'd
doing at
be
the
like,
front?
what is that, Mutant League football back in the day where it's like explosive football, you know, there'll be explosive water bottle instead.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm just
Fire.
I'm just pushing at like low threes, just to prevent them from attacking. Not going anywhere. Oh man, Kevin's got those raw watts. Yeah, Fogelberg's got some pretty serious raw watts. All right, so here's the play. I think is so 9.9 kilometer, 9.9 is the only hill. So I think it's that S curve. It's literally the only one. So I think the play there is, Scott, you got killer 5-minute power. So if you want to see if you can TT away, that's the spot. But I think you let one of us try to push a little ahead of the hill. They try to counter. You go over the top. Hopefully sail away. If you're feeling fresh still.
I will give it a shot. So,
Let's just stay with the pack, yeah?
So yeah, usually if like one of us tries to push, a lot of times like there's an overcorrection where like their whole team kind of pushes and tries to chase, and then that's where you and everyone else can kind of slingshot over the top of them. But we got 3 kilometers before anything. All right, I'm following Lloyd. Just me. Follow Katie though.
got it.
Follow
Katie's version,
Candelora.
yeah.
Zach, if you're feeling good, push over. Oh. Spin up, spin up, spin up.
It's coming.
All right, we're all we're all back. I don't think anyone's doing anything until the hill.
Yeah.
Somebody follow Katie.
I'll get it.
We're all together. Oh, hands
I'll
up.
get it.
I see.
I'll get it. No solo. Don't want 1v1 up here, so.
Here comes number 2. I'm gonna-
Wait till the gap. And then someone try and bridge up. Take your pick. Go fast and hard, though.
Kevin can do it. When should I do it?
Probably when you're doing it.
Yeah, soon.
All right. 23, 2, 1.
Don't follow Kevin. Follow their reaction to him.
Everyone's pulling.
Who do we got that's heavier?
Probably the heaviest. Rasmussen.
Yeah, David. Push a touch over the top of this hill. And see if you can't get them to bite on a break. Then Scott, I think that's where you slingshot after. So David will push. I mean, this is really the downhill. Minus 0.7. So David, whenever you feel like going, don't burn yourself out. So you do got the small climb, but see if you can get them to chase a bit. And Scott can give it his best 5-minute power. See if he can break away. This is the downhill, David. You want to give it a press? So wait for the reaction. And then hopefully it'll be timed right when you're going to the trough of the hill. All right, Scott. Your time to shine, man. Get a nice.
Oh, there you go.
No one chase Scott, though. Follow their wheels, though. Steer inside. All right. We got a 2v4 up here. So we might want to wait a little bit. Actually, Scott.
Kevin's back on.
All right. Yeah, they're all here. Don't bridge it back. I'm holding up. All right, let's probably chill a bit. I'm gonna try and bait Jeremy into drafting behind me. Y'all feeling okay?
Yep.
All right. All right, so I think we have a slight sprint advantage, especially with Scott doing a lead out train. So I think it's on them to push space and make something happen, or we otherwise we just sit and wait. I don't know if anyone has any disagreements.
Yeah, there's only one other spot coming out of the aquarium up here.
Yep.
It'd be a little spot they try to attack.
Yeah. I'll stay on Kevin Fogelberg if he pushes down here.
I'm pretty sure they're going to be saving as many matches as they can for the sprint now,
Yeah.
because we've been going back and forth.
All right, I'll follow Kevin. Everyone still got draft?
Yes.
All right, beautiful.
Check.
Don't tell me what to do, Christian. Oh man, we're really going pokey, aren't we? Just be ready for them to team smash at any point, like we did. That's what I would do if I were them.
Maybe coming up out of the tunnels.
Yeah. I mean, out of the tunnel is really the only spot left. So.
There's that draggy-ish climb back into the desert, but it's only like 1 to 2%, like by the bridge or whatever.
Yep. I mean, there's some slight uphill the rest of the time coming out of the aquarium, except for that small dip going into the beach or whatever it is.
They're all hanging.
So I'll probably try to, I'm not going to push, but I'm going to try to do like 4-5, 5-0 or something out of the aquarium, just to prevent them from trying to do their own attack or dissuade them. But it wouldn't surprise me if Katie started smashing out of the aquarium. What do you guys think Scott's go point is? Like 1K? A little further
They're all
than
dropping
1K?
back. Be mindful.
Yeah, I guess so. Sounds good.
I'm not going anywhere. Just I see them dropping back too, Zach.
Yeah. Don't show them any red numbers too.
No,
I
definitely not.
think Katie's pushing me into the wall. What's wrong?
Throwing some elbows, man.
I know. It's like she heard me earlier.
It's like someone's trying to go.
All right. Beautiful. Good job. So Katie's gonna start going here somewhere. I don't know where, but or Lloyd.
Josh, you gonna cover or Michael or
No one yet. He's not pushing hard enough.
okay.
Let him burn up. Yeah, you're hanging in there at 2.2930. All right, let me gap up just a touch.
Olberg dropping back. He may slingshot through.
Hey, Kevin's 3.531. Yeah. Scott, I'd say you can start pressing the pace like 5.5 at like 1.25 kilometers or something like that.
Okay.
Give it a, when you do start going, give it a nice breakaway push though. And steer out of the way and see if you can get a little bit of daylight in between you and them.
You want me to hang back and deploy the draft to the van and then wait for that slingshot through?
Well, let's see what Michael does here. And Michael. Oh, my heart rate monitor keeps dropping.
Remember, slingshot really isn't used to its new group dynamics. So you're not going to slow through as great as you used to.
Yeah. All right, Michael's 4.6. On mine. I'm just up here drunk driving. All right. All right, when Katie starts to go, I assume she'll go at like 1.5 or something like that too. Scott, I think that'll be your cue to start pressing.
All right, you're going
Yep.
1.2.
All right. Don't follow Scott. Don't follow Scott. Follow their wheels. Might be away. Smash it, baby. That's all you. Sail away, my friend. Keep pushing. All the way to the line. Don't bridge up to Scott. Let them do it. Full gas, baby. Full gas, Scott. Keep going, keep going. Looking great. Looking great.
Good job, Scott. Keep it up.
Deploy the draft at like 0.3, Scott, just in case. Let them react first. Let's go, Scott. Let's go. All right.
Oh, shit. It came up way quicker than I thought.
I popped off the fire.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fuck.
That's okay. That's a
Good job.
dub.
Good job, Scott.
That's a
Good
dub.
job, guys.
Let's go.
Wow, I waited way too long. Oh my god. The miles threw me off. I'm like, what is 0.2 miles? I don't know. Damn it.
See, Scott, that's diabolical. Perfectly executed.
Good
That's
job,
how
Scott.
that's how you get the dub as a non-sprinter.
Really
Way to go, man.
breakaway.
Sure, that was not easy.
Good
Good job, guys.
And that course.
Damn it, man. I gotta tighten my boots.
Yeah, that was a little. I didn't realize Kevin the same thing you did, except
I have so much gas left in the tank, too.
I know.
Yeah.
God damn it. I don't know what I was thinking.
Should have gone sooner.
Oh my gosh, should have gone wings.
I even said
Lord.
I even told Scott like, hey, throw up the Throw the draft at 0.3 because it's going to be used up by the time you cross the line anyway. And
Oh, man.
I didn't heed my own advice. That's okay.
I've been screwed on this course before, so I was waiting. Little curve, and then it's 800 meters. Boom.
Man, that was slow going. 30 minutes.
I'm glad I was able to get back on.
Yeah. Well, we almost shot ourselves in the foot at the beginning there. I regret suggesting that. Yeah, I love racing as a team though. Yeah, Scott, we're normally like around 500 versus team. It's predictions are always like super like dead heat even, and yeah, they got a lot of good all-arounders on their team. Like Lloyd Jones especially is like, I mean, dude's power profile is like super good all the way around.
Yeah, and he's surprising. He has regular, really great races. Like whether it's climbing, whether it's sprinting, like he's always a danger in the mix.
Yeah, dude doesn't have a weakness.
Great advice. Thanks for the coaching.
Yeah, dude.
Great ride.
Well, great first race. Make sure to save your ride and then cool down in separate activity. By the way, just because it helps results process faster, and make sure you save it publicly too.
Okay.
But if you have any questions about that, let me know. But
I think I'm good. All right. I think I'm racing Friday too. Are you all racing too, or is somebody else?
Yeah. I'm in all three this week. I prefer not to be, but.
All right. I'll see you guys on Friday.
I'll see you guys on Thursday.
It was a lot of fun.
All right, gents. Great work. Nice win. Nice job. All right, well, that was a good intro for Scott to ladder racing. That was rough. I mean, there was like nothing really happening. It's kind of impossible to create separation in that course, no matter what you do. But I mean, that was bound to come down to a bunch sprint. But yeah, seems always really fun to race with. So yeah, see you on Thursday for the next ladder race, and then Friday for yet another triple header. So take it easy. Thanks for tuning in.